Hello and welcome. Are you over 60 and looking for a simple way to get stronger, feel more stable on your feet, and move with confidence? You've come to the right place. As we get older, it's completely normal for our legs to lose some of their get up and go. Muscle mass can decrease, our balance might feel a little off, and things can get a bit stiff. But I've got some wonderful news for you. It is never too late to turn things around and rebuild that lower body strength. Today, I'm going to share 3 fantastic, easy-to-do leg exercises that you can do every single day, right in the comfort of your own home. You don't need any fancy gym equipment or an expensive membership. All you need is a sturdy chair and a few minutes of your time. These movements are specifically designed for us seniors to improve our stability, help prevent falls, and even boost circulation. With just a little bit of daily effort, you can walk steadier, stand taller, and feel more independent in your daily life. Ready to feel stronger and more energized? Let's get started. So, why is leg strength so crucial, especially after we hit 60? Think about it. Our legs are our foundation. They carry us through our day, from getting out of a chair to walking to the mailbox, playing with grandkids, or enjoying a nice stroll in the park. When our legs are strong, everything else feels easier and safer. Strong leg muscles, particularly in our thighs, glutes, and calves, act like natural shock absorbers, protecting our joints, especially our knees and hips. Furthermore, good leg strength is directly linked to better balance. As we strengthen these muscles, we improve our body's ability to correct itself if we stumble, significantly reducing the risk of a fall. And it doesn't stop there. The simple act of contracting these large muscles helps pump blood back up to our heart, improving overall circulation. This can help reduce swelling and stiffness in our lower legs. Plus, staying active has been shown to have amazing benefits for our brain health, keeping our minds just as sharp as our bodies. A strong body truly supports a strong mind. Investing a few minutes a day in your legs is an investment in your overall health, independence, and quality of life for years to come. All right, let's get into our very first exercise, the chair squat. This is one of the most effective movements you can do to build strength in your thighs and glutes, those powerful muscles that help you stand up, climb stairs, and walk with power. And we're going to do it safely using a chair for support. First, find a sturdy chair, one that won't slide. Stand in front of it with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. You can have your arms straight out in front of you for balance, or you can cross them over your chest. Now, keeping your back straight and your chest up, slowly bend your knees as if you are about to sit down in the chair. Lower yourself down as far as you feel comfortable, aiming to just gently touch the seat of the chair with your bottom. Don't actually sit down and relax. Just a light tap. The moment you touch the chair, push through your heels to stand back up to the starting position. Squeeze your glutes at the top. The key here is control. We're not plopping down. We're using our muscles to control the entire movement, both on the way down and on the way up. Make sure your knees are tracking over your feet and not caving inward. If you're just starting, you might only go down a few inches, and that's perfectly fine. It's all about progress, not perfection. Let's aim to do 8 to 10 of these slow and controlled repetitions. Remember to breathe. Inhale on the way down, and exhale as you push back up. Great job. Time for our second exercise, which is fantastic for improving your balance and strengthening your lower legs. Calf raises. Strong calf muscles are essential for stability when you're walking, and they act like a second heart, helping to pump blood up from your legs. This is another simple one you can do almost anywhere. For this exercise, stand behind your sturdy chair and place your hands lightly on the back of it for support. Don't grip it for dear life. It's just there for balance. Your feet should be about hip width apart, with your body standing tall and straight. Look straight ahead, not down at your feet. Now, very slowly, press through the balls of your feet to raise your heels off the floor. Rise up as high as you comfortably can, feeling the muscles in your calves engage and tighten. Hold this position at the top for a brief moment, just a count of 1 or 2. Then, just as slowly, lower your heels back down to the floor. The key is to avoid rocking back and forth. The movement should be straight up and straight down, controlled and deliberate. We want to focus on quality over quantity. Feel that squeeze in your calves on the way up and control the descent on the way down. This slow, controlled movement is what builds both strength and the fine motor control needed for better balance. Let's try for 10 to 15 repetitions. Remember to breathe naturally throughout the exercise. If you feel confident, you can try doing it without holding onto the chair, but always have it nearby just in case. You're doing wonderfully. Let's move on to our third and final strength exercise, the standing leg lift, also known as a leg abduction. This movement is incredibly important for strengthening the muscles on the outside of your hips. These muscles are crucial for your side-to-side stability, helping you stay steady if you're walking on uneven ground or have to step sideways unexpectedly. Once again, stand behind your trusty chair, holding on lightly for balance. Stand up tall, with a slight bend in your supporting knee. Don't lock it out. Keep your core engaged to help stabilize your torso. Now, slowly lift one leg straight out to the side. Only lift it as high as you can, without leaning your upper body to the opposite side. We want the movement to come from your hip, not from tilting your whole body. Think about keeping your torso perfectly upright. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Lift the leg to the side, hold it for a second, and then slowly bring it back to the starting position. Make sure your toe is pointing forward, not up toward the ceiling. This ensures you're using the correct hip muscles. Let's do 8 to 10 repetitions on one side, focusing on that smooth, controlled motion. Once you've completed your reps on one side, we'll switch to the other leg. Stand tall, soft bend in the new supporting knee, and lift the other leg out to the side. Again, 8 to 10 slow and controlled repetitions. You should feel this working the outer part of your hip and thigh. This exercise is a game changer for building the stability you need to walk with confidence and prevent falls. Excellent work. Now that we've worked our muscles, let's finish with a wonderful bonus stretch to help release any tension and improve flexibility. This is a seated hamstring stretch, and it feels absolutely fantastic after our exercises. Sit on the front edge of your sturdy chair. Extend one leg straight out in front of you, with your heel on the floor and your toes pointing up towards the ceiling. Your other foot should be flat on the floor with that knee bent. Now, sit up tall, keeping your back straight. This is very important. Hinge forward from your hips, not by rounding your back. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your straight leg in your hamstring muscle. Only go as far as you feel a comfortable stretch. There should be no pain. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, and remember to breathe deeply and evenly. Deep breaths help your muscles relax into the stretch. After holding, slowly come back up to the starting position. Now, let's switch legs. Extend the other leg out, heel on the floor, toes up. Sit tall and hinge forward from the hips until you feel that gentle stretch. Hold again for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing the whole time. This is a perfect way to cool down, improve your flexibility, and leave your legs feeling relaxed and refreshed. And there you have it. 3 simple, effective exercises and a lovely stretch that you can do every day to build stronger legs, improve your balance, and move with more freedom and confidence. Remember, consistency is the key. Doing these for just a few minutes each day will make a much bigger difference than doing a long workout once a week. Be patient with your body and celebrate the small victories. You might notice it's easier to get out of your favorite chair, or you feel steadier when you're walking. You've taken a fantastic step today towards a stronger, healthier, and more active you. I am so proud of you for showing up for yourself. Keep up this wonderful work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more simple fitness tips designed just for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay active, stay strong, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.